Felling a tree is inherently dangerous. A clearly defined escape route is absolutely vital to avoid becoming a statistic. The tree has started to crackle like an explosion run fast. The root ball can become a dangerous projectile. If not handled professionally, it will become a disaster. It's not a tree anymore. It's nature's version of a time bomb. As they say, although it is risky, but the cameraman is invincible. How long do you think it took him to cut down the tree? The giant red cedar tree stands tall, but even people fall. The sound of chainsaws roars. The blend of nature and technology. In a moment, it's all over. A short moment leaves a lasting mark. Hard work and fresh cut wood. Watch the sawdust dance. It is remarkable that you said, "I am eager to see your insights" in the section. This is a safe method of removing a large dead tree. It requires a professional team in a large area to ensure safety and avoid damaging surrounding structures. Never try this near a house. These beetle-infested branches have no chance of falling together. That is some skill. People who have too many chainsaws but no sense of self-protection. This hanging tree is a delicate challenge that requires a careful approach by experts with their training and equipment to neutralize the threat, ensuring safety and restoring harmony to the forest. Tree cutting near the house requires experienced professionals. Smart approach will help you avoid risks and work effectively, and always prioritize. Nature's way of saying, "I've had enough," is a thrilling, dramatic escape. He has nerves of steel or luck all his life. This is one reason why watching a YouTube tutorial doesn't count as experience. How long do you think it will take him to cut down that giant tree? Leave a comment below. Join us as we watch how lumberjacks cut down giant trees. Observation, performance, accuracy, and time related in the fog, to be sure, but one proof. Logging is not just a job, but a test of strength, patience, and respect for nature. The bigger the trees, the bigger the stakes, and the loggers are absolute legends. Tree felling is a high-risk job that requires skill and concentration. Climbers must face changing winds and hidden decay, demonstrating courage when climbing and precision when descending. It survived lightning, but won't survive this guy with a chainsaw. Oh, those trees must have a secret plan, twisting and growing in the wrong direction. This removal is more like disarming a bomb than cutting it. Nature, as a slow-motion comeback, cuts off freedom, but stands firm only to overturn in the final effort of revenge. Even if a tree falls, the job is not done. Unstable branches, shifting weight, and the ground can still be dangerous. Careful assessment and movement are key to safety. Strong men do the hard, dangerous work that keeps the world running. Watching this guy in action makes you realize how much experience, precision, and courage it takes to safely take down a giant pine tree. Can you believe this tree looks like it came out of a horror movie? Leaning to the ground is wild. This guy has real skills and nerves of steel. Respect. Logging big tree. It's a great power. The saw is eating the tree like nothing. Chopping down trees is all about science and skill, but the best practice is to scream at the wood with all your might. Oh my God, there is no shortage of people with too many chainsaws. Come watch him show off his skills.